Okay, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to look at writing the equation of a circle just given the center and radius, which at this point is probably the easiest thing we've had to do. So this shouldn't be too bad. Again, the equation for your circle is going to follow this form, right? X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. That's our circle equation, okay? So essentially all you have to do here is plug the numbers into the equation to get your circle. So for instance, if we want a circle with a center of 3, 5 and a radius of 2, how do we go about doing that? Well, my equation of the circle is just going to be, the h was the x value of the center, so I do x minus 3 squared. Remember, the signs are opposite what they would be. And then y minus 5 squared is equal to r squared, which is just 2 squared. Okay, so when I simplify this a little bit, we get x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared. This is 4. And that would be our equation of the circle. Okay? Let's do another one with a slightly messier radius. So let's do, we'll do one with a center of -1, 2, and then a radius of 2 square roots of 3. Okay? So again, we're taking the points from the center and we're putting those inside the square. Okay, now notice where our center here is at -1. Well, we're going to have x, and then normally I would put a -1 here to mean that I'm going, that it would be at 1, but this one's at -1, so what do I have to do? I have to put a +1, okay? They're always the opposite signs of what are there. Okay, plus y minus 2 squared is equal to, and then the radius squared, right? So I can't really fit it over there. It would be 2 square roots of 3 squared that would belong right there. Okay? So now we can maybe just simplify this a little bit. Let me squeeze this over. Y minus 2 squared is equal to, how do I do this 2 square roots of 3 squared? Well, I just square each individual piece. So square 2 would give me 4. And then what happens when you square the square root of 3? Well, when you square a square root, they undo each other, right? So you get 3. Okay? So 4 times 3 is what you're going to get there. So you get x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared. This is 12. Okay? And that would be your equation of the circle. Okay? So this is probably the easiest thing that we've done so far, is just we have to plug in the numbers, right, to get our equation of our circle. And that is it. So you've survived 1010, all the new material. And let me know if you have questions in class, or you can send them to me through email. I will talk to you later.